Making headway, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language lesson. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, making headway. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. So, let's get started. Making headway is an idiomatic expression that means making progress or moving forward in any situation. Originally, this term was used in a nautical context, referring to a ship's forward movement, especially through difficult conditions. Today, it's used in various contexts to indicate progress. To better understand making headway, let's look at some examples. 1. After hours of discussion, the committee is finally making headway on the new policy. 2. She's making headway in her recovery from surgery. In these sentences, making headway highlights progress in a process or journey, whether it's a discussion, a project, or recovery from an illness. A common mistake learners make is using making headway to mean making a physical move. Remember, it's about progress and advancement, not physical movement. Understanding synonyms can deepen your comprehension. Here are a few: making progress, moving forward, gaining ground. These phrases can often be used interchangeably with making headway. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of making headway. Remember, learning phrases like this can add flavor to your English and help you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll definitely make headway in your English learning journey. See you next time.